Lesson 6. Using a servo motor. This lesson is introducing to the servo motor, which is a smart motor that you can tell to rotate to a specific angular location. For the sake of time, in this video we only introduce the key blocks needed for this lesson. If you want to know the basic blocks, please check the video tutorial of our previous course or our website link. Opened our tutorials, find the Starter Learning Kit lesson. We are learned the lesson 6. Using a servo motor. Let's code blocks for this experiment. At first, set direction to. In the onStart block we set the direction variable to 1. This value will be toggled between 1 and -1 to determine the direction we want the servo to sweep. Second, servo right. We use the servo right block to control a servo connected to a specific pin to rotate to a specific angle. We pass it in degrees. We use a variable we have labeled as degrees. You can use this command to just write any angle between 0 and 180 to a servo motor at any time, but do remember to add a small pause to make sure that you give it enough time to respond before moving to the next angle. Third, change by. If you want to increment or decrement a given variable by a certain value, which is positive or negative, you use the change by block. You can select the variable you want to change and then the value you want to increment by, positive value, or decrement by, negative value. We increment the angle by 1 degree using this block. Fourth, set direction to direction x-1. To change the direction of the servo once it reaches 0 or 180, we do some fancy math to multiply the direction variable by -1 to toggle it from a positive value to a negative number or a negative number to a positive value. That way when we use the change by block, the number is positive or negative. Fifth, download this example by clicking the download button in the upper right hand corner of the code window. After download the program to microbit. When powered up you should see the servo move to a single location, 0 degrees, and then start to sweep to 180 degrees back and forth until you turn it off or tell it to go to a different angle.